work and I talk about her, she should either record me or inform her about it. And she also agreed because she likes money. So it got to a time she got acquainted with Cindy. So she started talking about me to Cindy. And then Cindy is friends with the Tutujagu. That's the Nanaya Komia, Mrs. Lawson. So Cindy is friends with Tutujagu. So Cindy later realized that they could use the girl to bring me down. Do you understand? So they called the girl and they told the girl that they will offer her 10,000 Ghana cedi so that she can come out and say things about me because she's closer to me. So when she says something, everybody will believe it.
Ebusuafo I'm mama kwaba edeba Xposed ye so na me catch you say I Xposed ye yes no Ghana and beyond na what twe atwemu so wa wonim say ye maame mu na Gucci a wote onua TV a oye show I host a friend bibri ejeje o ne ho sensem ebi baya a ono ani twetwomucho kane god daughter your friend no adepa eba out ebe kire say mami ena ama ne lesbianism mami ena ama na say mami na ama na brabo ayesene na say ekono no because ohwa mami ne adina involved into lesbianism na say ne nsem ne ba no bia e kana adwen e kire say eh omo me godmother ne god daughter yi ehun sensem edo so e mami mpo me be ye video no at the end of the video na me ba kire say sa god daughter ne godmother in sensem yi kane ena nanka ye nyina ye nimu say so obi for obi say where me godmother that means that person is going to have a big influence on that child life which will be positively and now obi should be life won't say nipa ni life and won't say oh this person is my godmother na send am bofre bi so life betie no and the bema na ka so oh this is my god daughter now so say the entisa and ma me kra me ye mad details on my video e kire say there's mad details and behind the scenes and no man enye fe enye time now say recently on this goddaughter and this godmother issues enye whole issues all together now so issue we eba no I to say yanti ye mame mona Gucci the side of the story assembly buy no obia can send you pe because e mame kra me ba be ka say sa mona Gucci mu goddaughter ni godmother issue no ensem wo mu bebre e mame chiechie mu ekeka nsem e chiese na nse ebu obekom no goddaughter no hook up ne ye de ne ye ebu a goddaughter no ono kohwibre bi na o ye den ye ma na ye den ebo esansensem ni na we na aba se mona Gucci enya asem anka e ma sansensem we amu no utumi hu se mona Gucci adamfo bi a ye fe no kisiwa mami kisiwa a o oni wache joint a ye fe ne kismet no ono so ni adamfo bai benya issue about this lesbianism utumu se na adina akwan ase mami kisiwa no ene de say nsem we de ekokoso ema mona Gucci ni sa nipa ne de enya issues na nso mona Gucci no one reply much on the adipa issue no because some person be pay attention to it but we na e kire say mame mona Gucci akofa phone na wa frɛ adipa because per reporter e kire say adipa no enye ne mame ne papa nche na oye den ote ne mame ne papa enni ho per reporter e chen na alajo baby na oye den ote na baby na wote no nipa na wote na se ne odiba okote na sa nipa na otete ne nche no na nipa ne eye sofu mame a empaibo ewo alajo park bi so omo bo no na em se abofre de bia na odi mame ye chodi mame ye che mame ye se ne ye de obefa adipa na to no ho na watete no iti offer adipa na watete no enu mu na se ne atwetwe mu ama mona Gucci so abefa ne se ne god daughter iti mona Gucci se ne nsem na ba no hu se no ohun obia nobody is only explanation the mo obia say sa mame a onu na ohwe adipa so yi iti okofre mame no ka chen se mame ensem de eye bebre utumu se ensem na aba no oba adipa na enam na oka chen kofo se me di ne ra lesbianism na nso entesa ema mona Gucci acheche ensem nim akeka ensem ama mad detail story se adipa yankasa no utumu se na owo mental issues kakra because se ne akola ne kasa ne eya ensisi so ema onu ankasa syndicash aye onu mona Gucci adamfo kra ene barima bi atachie abopo ena omodi Oma fra kola na dada na mama ne 10,000 Ghana cedis ena ma ne gu ono Monaguchi enima ase nsansem na Monaguchi efre maame na ono ohwe adepa so no me pese ye kotie sa audio no ne ye ba ye besa atoa so.
Mami, oh, we dear, wakoya me maame pa, yes, Anka. I wouldn't want to talk about this. What was say? Aklani pay me no. First thing okay, and say, we are very interested in the media work. Into no, opesenka odi me chika kra na me mwano. Nti honestly, me fan it say me nua ketwa. Yes, because we did 20 years. Along the line, no, I say me treating a year, me money sika because o mama ti ase say o ye orphan. Na mama not in nchen ne mama. But thank God so say mama not in nchen so on board treating no. She's being treated good, but just say mama ni nye juma the woman isn't working. Nti ono na hwe busuani nyina they about 6 in the family. So I was like 20 years old girl there. Ejuma be na oya utimi I share with busuya of all these people. In fact, I am a mobile because baby omuti wo alajo ho no. Seven preduasa. Ubeja ona kwa just wa ko chieska wa bontin. Aso wa ko ja onai. Enti me hu ni ti say obi a why desperate say obeye den obe pray in the future. But 2 months into working with her and me realize this say akola no our mental problem. Our mental problem. Sometimes okasa nsisi so okase ana wakase. But then I wanted to know say ebia she's going through something at home but me realize say no from house and so no you treating here. Intimi pinpoint the reason why I say sebani smoking akwala smoky ebani weed akwala ni weed ebano pills ecstasy pills like she does everything deviant. Menti ase. Enti one time be o catch me say oh oye ompem mema na opem ma na oye lesbian. But in fact o ka sem ne kire me no abroche na mete lesbian ne sa gay ne sa ne ma omo obebre enti no mambo brim. Enti na me bisa me one questions say aden na kwala ti say 20 years utimi e de ho hye bibi say bibi e ti say mu penny screenshots na was through on utimi hu say o catch me say ono no ne top secret no nti opa me cho mema me nka nchire obia me see you mate ene no kren so o catch me no man kan nchire obia my boyfriend pen na me catch no. The reason I me catch my boyfriend is say me mpese obe pie be kwa ko baby na obi ehun na catch ne say bia hey girl bia oni mo na enam no on YouTube or you lesbian nti no ebia ma weni nko mo na ho ana bibisa nti me catch boy ni so akwala no say no te ba me pese me boa no na osesa because onyi ye nti me pese me boa no na onsesa. And I will say, okay, says Anna me na akwala reform media. He doesn't have a problem. Inti that was it. Into share screenshots the multi say obisa me po say osuro say me catch her or papa. I me boyfriend or friend and papa. Into also osuro so catch me catch her or papa no or papa boom fu and I'm sure there be. Who read these screenshots now? Inti me posted in a picture some time ago. Me no ye video bi wo studio na me de to hono mo. Na madam football bi so akola no anything no be ware no. Na me introduce and so madam football say obeden opese o ware no. Nti on no enye den enya danfo no steady no nti wo hwe screenshots ni mu a obeka say obeka kire me say ono no ompem mema e ma no pe. But because of me, you know, or better try into mommy, I literally was doing my best to make sure say akwalana sisa because sa lesbianism ne sa name at the end of the day fashion breno because of akwala you know make sense in the say esi ha she has a mental problem. And me say, oh, whom me with TV so no, because oye lesbian, it says me attractive no. And until or the media ne see ne so buy because or realize say many youth now aya omo person omo ye hard working near the ade no many into use sa format no and or the buy na me gini two mu no okoye me birthday okota two me din e wo ne nsa ho ne ade satam ne nyina no na me ntia say how can you be obsessed with somebody to the extent that me tattoo ni din say ni birthday gift no na me ntia se enti ono abebie na no ka che me say oye lesbian na ni top secret ni ade no na me say ni sentia
You're on GHP.
and me de me nya lesbian but suban we so de so person oye me banko ade you need to change enti no me wo ho na obeka kire me say nanse mu na obeka kire me say Cindy Cash oba me show so any GH mouthpiece any nana ya akomea o my friend conference call say ono obem ono akwala ne bem me pa nti no GH mouthpiece ne ka kire o mo plane ka kire ono plane say on beji 10,000 Ghana cedi na onye den onfa more than information embre o mo no o mo fa ntudwa na mbisa akwala ne say eba ne say na Cindy etimi nya ho kwan efre wo ene o discuss saa ade na de adankofo eto phone so me bisa ne saa no emisa nkoyi ama no because I am a smart girl. I mean o kan bibia medwen ho ansa na me bisa wo na me bisa say ba ne say na Cindy Cash one me nkasa GH Mafis ne me nkasa na ya akomia de ono mpo de ohun me danti no I don't know what the problem is. Eba ne say no mutimi nya wo adepa e wo conference call so say even to the extent so mo because mo be offer usika for you to come and tarnish my image. Menti ase. But me too kwan a me ba we'll talk about this whole thing. No so opa me chome ma men ko bisa o na me ma men ko ka bibia o social media but e planting na oil o person ohun nkofo no o mo adwen na me see you mate. Enti me to kwan comfortable region me buy no for some reasons any niema ye keka kire me because say be obi etu kwan ko ni kroma onim okwa definitely obekra ansa na waba back to Accra. Enti niema any advice ye de ma me nso from Afia enti no me say ndie me cut obi off enti me block no me block me because I literally don't want to have anything to do with her because me benya anti ase ne say ono ene ya ode me ho asem e koma Cindy Cash because Cindy money sika say ya oba adwuma mu wona say bia obi ka ne ho asem na bibi akwala na enye de enka nkire no enti na Cindy Cash ne eta man akwala ne sika na akwala ne so gi because onye adwuma na oyo brefo ba wa brepa saa niema na oka kire me nti na me hu ne mobo a me twe ne be me aya me mani sika mani didi ba ne so o ma me so enti se obi so obe mani sika kese na on say me din ya oh yeah sika ne de waje na ehu adwuma so na oye ne but mama na me mpese me ka ho asem wo ye me maame nti na me de sa me evidence nyina a kire o say akwala no ontimi ne me na because me nye lesbian ebia her approach to me no dream say ebia obetimi ni me aye bibi sadia I don't know because na me ntia se okota to me din any ade won ne ho and all that echire no or send me girl be video be picture be say ne wife no yes after we confess chire me so a lesbian no ne wife no nti wo hwe screenshot ni mu krampo na wo be hu say oka chire me say okọ wife ho na me say o girl no posting na no say ai and another place so say why you weak na wife no man no wine and later osanso no move body nti obi a ono ne ebo ne lesbian na ne jantra brother da no I only tried to say mesesa no na say mentimi asesa no na so wakoji sika efrin krofo say or the ne hu fin no ana say din fin ne da ne so e de beto me so a me nyankopon wa bobedin na wa frɛ me nti din bi eni wa obi di beto me so e be ye adwuma me I lesbians are human beings and that's the reason why I confess ma me no say no te no man like I didn't push her away. I showed her much love to let her know, say, no, Nyankopon bo Adam and Eve. But yeah, so they share trans in your see a pemba, and we are see I den assisa. But we are kola. As I say, with me, the any na wo ema wo maame because o maame no papa nka so mo no mo ewu. And now ma obi fufuro na wo da alajo railway station ho no mo park ne so na wo da ho no mo na we di 9 years wo free ntem ti na we di 9 years na wo da alajo park ne so ho no mo na maame ya wafa wo a ohwe wo sese no maame no kobom paye every time e wa alajo park no so na maame ne ye den okobom paye no obefia na wo di nechi wo se komode maame ne so eye nyame adwuma na maame ne fa wo the only glory you can bring to this woman is to finish school, get a good job, make money, and take care of that angel who took care of you. But obreya wo se wo bebo idie sanse wo ntema ende be ku ntem enunti ena metwe akola ne ben me ho but se wakwaji sika kese se obese mi din a me believe say Nyankopon ena ejeji nipa ena Nyankopon so ena oyi nipa efi na hundie na ho hie dem enu nti evidence na me that ma ono mama po enye say wo ye me maame a nka me mfa ntudwa because akola we mentally mentally stable. Yes, mentally stable because na dream mu kana kakra. I noticed that thing about her, but I realized say o mama no papa wu ye ni nkola bremu no treatment o modi man wo fia ono nso o di free fie that streets so no all those emotional traumas na kan be nti na adwen enye stable no nti no I only showed her a godly love. Me man sika aduane de bia ye bepon mekwa akoto aduane ama me make sure say we di de enye ono kwa sindi cash mu any panelists omo show ni so nyina me di omo nyina kọ na matoto aduane ama obia ansa ne nyina ya de party ne yakofi ono nko ade mema ne sika ansa na wakofi but me papa ye na ankodu baby na we ne ye de damase a me ye jani nyina manyame because Yesu Christo kwa wamenye bone but they found an excuse to execute him. Nanya me nipa me maame ne me papa kra ewo me to bone mu. Papa ye na me ko se me kwakoye. E na ada ne bone ama me. Enti mami kakra me wokani na mum Ghana celebrities enfa we entu omuhufo say obi ben omo a omonye careful na bibi say ya atome no ankoto omonso because they have a lot of other adepas out there who are ready to do anything for money, including denting the image of any public figure to make a living. Nti me advice ke kami woma other public figures no eno na mama media to no me da say
na ebusuafo utie audio na Munaguchi ene maame ne ebo nkomo na nsem de waka bebre ba won se anse na Munaguchi issues no beba no na edru beebi no enkofo kofa audio bi eba na Munaguchi kase na wadwale na anka wa ye den minimku aka ma wo da me nchen eno ni nyina no framework ye sheda editi sa audio na oka asa no na look it say ebesuti Munaguchi lesbianism allegations na ade passu jinemu a ye den ya advocate about her no utumu say sa audio na ye mame Munaguchi ekasa no wa cheche sansem niam na we na ye nua bema bia oye adwuma e wo GH page say the nsem no kokon no so no sa sem gbasa na yankoti other side of the story a enye fe itu ono anso safa phone wo frame Munaguchi eni wo bisa ne nsem say ne woni abofre eye so nice na moye friendly no eba ne se na we ni na eye den esiye ebusuafo me pese wunya time maye kotie emra ye frame Munaguchi na o cheche ni nsem no busuafo nyamre ne tenase na me ka cho se adwumako a eso yase eni wo bia se ni truth se ankofo bia ma ne mbebo o chenso eso ye den who do you need? Do you want to advertise your product? What are you willing to advertise here? Go nowhere further. but come to Xposed GH. As you are liking and you are sharing our video, I hope you to come and advertise whatever product, whatever business that you are owning that you want to advertise. We are always available for you. Contact us and we will do the best business for you. Ebusuafo na me say atoa na me ka kyerɛw sɛ ma yenko tie nsɛm na yenua bɛma na wɔ GHP ɛne Monaguchi Afia.
Mona, this is what I want to know. Why did you guys have a fallout? Then because when you saw blocking or stop talking to and everything, but what happened? We didn't see it. What exactly did she do?
So what she did was that there was this lady on my show called Cindy Cash. I took Cindy off my show for personal reasons. I took her off my show. So apparently Cindy was giving her money that whenever she comes to work and I talk about her, she should either record me or inform her about it. And she also agreed because she likes money. So it got to a time she got acquainted with Cindy. So she started talking about me to Cindy. And then Cindy is friends with the Tutujagu. That's the Nanaya Komea, Mrs. Lotson. So Cindy is friends with Tutujagu. So Cindy later realized that they could use the girl to bring me down. Do you understand? So they called the girl and they told the girl that they will offer her 10,000 Ghana cedi so that she can come out and say things about me because she's closer to me. So when she says something, everybody will believe it. And then the girl also said yes initially. So later on, Cindy went to make a post on social media and then she wrote under it, "You Adepa, if you call me again, you will see." So as a smart girl that I am, I asked myself, why should Cindy Cash post something insulting me and then come attacking you Adepa too? Then in a layman's view, Adepa, you've been taking my issue to Cindy and you bring Cindy's issue to me. Because why should Cindy be angry and say, "You Adepa, if you call me again, you will see"? Which means you've been calling Cindy to give her information about me. So Adepa denied when I went to ask her. She denied that she doesn't give any information about me to anybody, and she even swore on her life. So we all thought Cindy was lying. So we were supposed to travel to the Volta region for an event, and she's my PA, so obviously she needs to go with me. So I went to sew the dress for her, the cloth that we're supposed to wear and everything. And then the time changed, like I told you. The time for us to depart changed from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. But by then, she had departed. And her phone was missing. So she was using a Yam phone. Do you understand? And then her mom's phone, respectively. So when the time changed, I drove from here to her house at Alajo. And I started calling her on her phone. So I spent like 30 minutes there. Since I couldn't get in touch with her, I had to, leave a voice note on her mom's phone because her mom's phone is a smartphone and had WhatsApp on it. So I left the voice note on her mom's phone that this is what happened. So I'm taking the lead. So when she wake up, she should follow me with an Uber. She should just let me know how much the Uber would charge and then I'll pay. That was just the only thing, the audio I sent. And then they edited the audio. So when I came back from the Volta region, I didn't hear from her again. So when I returned from the Volta region, already when I went to the Volta region, the truth is that, when I came from the Volta region, I've had my confirmations and everything. So I also put 2 and 2 together and I realized that indeed she's been talking about me to the people. So I just decided not to confront her, but I just kept my distance. So I blocked her on Instagram, I blocked her on Facebook, I blocked her wherever she is, on WhatsApp, I blocked her. Even on her mom's phone, I blocked her. Because I don't want problems. I don't want somebody that you'll be good to, and at the end of the day, the person will be ungrateful, and that's exactly what she's done to me. So that is how we fell out. So because I blocked her, she got angry and went back to Cindy Cash, GH Mouthpiece, and Tutujagu and told them that she's in for the deal. Because apparently, before we will go to the Volta region, she was telling me that the people have approached her with an amount of money that she should come and betray me. And I asked her that what does she know about me that she's going to betray me? First of all, and second of all, why is it that there are other people working with me? Gamashi, Alex Charming, other girls are around me. Why is it that it's you alone that they confronted, that they want you to do this job for them? I'm a smart girl. I can't sit down for a 20-year-old girl to come and outsmart all the schooling that I've schooled in my life. So I just cut her off. So since I wasn't talking to her again, and then I'll go to work, and then I don't call her to come to the studio again, she got angry and went for those people's deal. So the audio she sent to them, they edited it to suit whatever she said. So I decided not to listen to those audios or even answer questions, or because social media is not court, so I don't answer questions to anyone. But today my mom sent the thing to me. My mom was like, I should listen to it. She knows me, so I should listen to this audio to the end. And I realized that Tutu Jagu had edited the audios to suit the story that the girl was saying, and this is preposterous. And that's just the reason why I wanted to give you the original audio, because it sounds to people that I was calling the girl to come sleep with me. In what capacity? In what capacity? A mother like me, in what capacity will I call a minor to come and sleep with me? Why would they edit the video? I mean the audio, sorry. Why would they even edit the audio? That is why I sent you the original audio, for people to know that it's an event we're attending, and I went to park in front of her house, calling her to come out for us to go, because the time had changed. And since she didn't come, I left her an audio that she should get an Uber, and then I will pay. The Uber should bring her to the Volta region, and I will pay. That's just it. So we falling out, it was God's doing that she didn't get to pick her call that day, and I went to the Volta region alone, and I heard everything there, that she is the one. She is the one.
On YouTube.
So when I came back, I didn't say anything to her. I just kept my distance and I blocked her. She was angry because the girl herself, before she told me she was a lesbian, I think she was obsessed with me. But you see, because I'm not a lesbian, I couldn't read between the lines, because I didn't know why she said she was even going to draw a picture of my face at her back. It was serious. So I wasn't understanding the whole thing until she told me that she's a lesbian and she's this, that, and that her mom even doesn't know. So she begs me, we shouldn't let it out. And I said, okay, I told my boyfriend already, because I don't want my boyfriend to go out there and then go and meet people, and then they'll be like, hey, your wife is working with somebody and the person is lesbian, that. He will be angry with me. So I told her that, oh, I have told your dad about it, period. So we're the only two people who were keeping her secret as a lesbian. So why is it that she made those people, she told those people that I am the one who introduced her to lesbianism. I said she should do something. I mean, what the I'm so this is the end. I don't think celebrities in Ghana, they should stay away from those small girls who will come to them. I want to be your goddaughter, take me as your godson, and those, they should fucking stay away from them, because most of them are leeches. They prey on you, they spend your money, they lie to you, and then they will get information about you and take it out there and disgrace you because you decided to fall out with them. I decided to fall out with her because the lesbianism aspect of the thing, it got to a time now pastors were seeing it, and then they will call me and tell me that only akwalabi nam or ni obada sade no oya onyankopon shira emma wo so I decided to cut her off. I have the right to associate myself with whichever organization that I want. I am not a lesbian, and I realized that I was trying hard to even change her. I went to a restaurant to eat, and then I met a friend there. He's a guy. The guy said, oh, he wants to marry her. I forced that she should try and be friends with the guy, because I wanted to stop sleeping with women and start dating men, because I don't see why a small girl will be sleeping with women. I don't get it. This girl can go and sleep with a man and take the money and then go and follow women. And she even sent me a photo of her lesbian partner. Look at the screenshots I sent you, Rashad. Just look at it. I was so much in the darkness that I didn't know anything going on. Do you understand? And she was see her arm. The picture I sent to you on my birthday, she went to tattoo my name on her hand. That is my birthday gift. I still cannot understand up to today. I swear to God, because there's no way that any fan of yours. I'm not like a musician. I'm not Justin Bieber. I'm not Rihanna. I'm not Beyonce. Nobody can be so crazy about me to tattoo my name on their hand. Oh, she was doing it because she was obsessed with me, and I fucking kick her butt out of my way because I'm not a lesbian. I gave her a period of time to change her life, and she wasn't ready to change. She takes weed, she drinks alcohol excessively, everything deviant the girl does it. She takes ecstasy pills, everything. everything deviant. She does it. Why? I'm not the one who gave birth to her. So I need to cut her off. I have the right to cut people off if they don't want to change. Or is it a crime? So if I cut you off, must you go and take a deal with people that are not cool with me, that you are coming towards, tarnish my image because you are closer to me, so whatever you say, people will believe it. I mean, who does that? Celebrities and public figures in Ghana should be very, very careful. Anybody that will come close to them, take me as your godmother, take me as your goddaughter, take me as your this, or it's a lie. They are all liars.
So for you say assemble na went to me and you are no ye you eyibone I nsem no sene mo na Gucci issue no eba no. Come on, obi issue na baba, we need more thorough investigation into it. Then you abema so etumi bo mode e ma yetumi nya all the information time so make catch you say nya time issues no ana nsem no esi na yakofa ba ye bebo remu ni akoyi messages na den about enu obi enim guase the fact say we are blogging over here and say yakofa obi enim guase nsem ai ba den abeka we can know you banso nsem no e ba na wo say e kan ye be den ye beka na me catch you say me a me di dwumadi ebro on me din de limo elikem kwame amega obetimi afreme efokent and ameden meje so on Xposed GH your YouTube now will share now like it on all social media platforms ebetimi Facebook Instagram Twitter ya wo honom ko ne ko follow your page na issues ne ana information bia ba ebema wo so akia den wanye abusiafo na munya be malimo me catch you say na yeden makramo Schwar.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda